Hello, I'm Patrick, and I lead UX design for our developer ecosystem here at Magic Leap. And today, we're introducing the all-new Magic Leap Hub 3. We've been listening to your feedback. We've redesigned the hub from the ground up to be more stable, easier to use, and faster than ever. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at Hub 3. We made some big improvements to simplify package management, provide a more stable streaming experience, and make navigating the hub a breeze. So let's get to it. Get started by downloading the hub from the Downloads tab in the Developer Portal, linked in the description below. Once downloaded, launch the installer and follow the instructions on your computer. Before you can connect your Magic Leap 2 to the hub, we have to ensure developer mode and USB debugging are enabled on your device. Learn how to do this by watching our video on enabling USB debugging, or follow the instructions in our Developer Portal article linked in the description. Once these settings are enabled, it's time to launch Hub 3 and connect to your Magic Leap 2. Use a USB-C cable to plug your device into your computer. Once plugged in, your Magic Leap 2 will detect a new USB device connection. This will trigger one more prompt in your headset asking to allow USB debugging permission between your Magic Leap 2 and your computer. I recommend checking the Always Allow from this computer option so you don't have to do this again next time. Then select Allow. Once these permissions are set, your Magic Leap 2 will automatically connect to the hub as the active device. Welcome to Hub 3. This dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of your device. Here, you can find device details, on-device storage capacity, and other helpful resources. You can also manage your device's connection to the hub and check for OS or package updates. On the left, a vertical navigation bar displays all of the hub's tools and views. You can jump between views with a single click, no matter where you are in the hub. When hovering your cursor over the device navigation item, a menu opens where you can control your device and its connection. You can easily switch between USB and wireless connections, view device details, create bug reports, and perform other device actions. If you have multiple Magic Leap 2 devices, this is where you can easily switch between them. At the bottom of this navigation bar, you'll find access to the hub's global settings and external developer tools. Visit the Packages view to install and manage SDK versions, profiling tools, code samples, and other developer resources. Use filters and sort columns to find packages with available updates, installed packages, or resources for specific environments like Unity, Unreal Engine, and native OpenXR. Packages flagged with a blue dot have a new version available. Select a package to view its details, install and uninstall versions, read the latest release notes, and check dependencies. To install a package, click Install. With Hub 3, packages are now downloaded and installed in the background, so you can continue working as they process. Once installed, launch external tools with the Tools menu at the bottom of the left navigation bar. View and manage your on-device apps in the Apps view. With Hub 3, you can better focus on the apps you care about, as we've hidden the native Android apps and services by default. Here, you can quickly find apps with search, filter, and sort tools. Add or remove columns if you want to see more or less details. And selecting an app opens the App Details sidebar with more information. To install an app, select Install. You can install multiple apps at once by clicking multiple files and selecting Open. You can monitor the installation progress, cancel the installation, or dismiss the install dialog to continue navigating the hub. To automatically launch an app in your headset after installation, select Install and Launch from the Install Options menu. Learn more and download available apps for your Magic Leap 2 at magicleap.com/apps. With Hub 3, you can uninstall multiple apps at once. Open the Install Options menu and select Uninstall. Then, select one or more apps from the app list and click Uninstall Selected. System-level and native Magic Leap apps cannot be uninstalled. In the Files view, manage your device files and content. Here, you can quickly access commonly used folders with shortcuts in the left sidebar. You can also see your device's storage capacity and a breakdown of usage by category. Move between folders by double-clicking. Use the breadcrumbs to navigate within the current file path. Use the search function to find and select specific files or folders. Move content, rename items, and more with the toolbar or row actions menu. When uploading or downloading content, follow the transfer progress, cancel transfers, or open content once transferred with the transfers view. You can also keep working in the hub during transfers, which are now processed in the background. You'll get a notification when transfers are done. Upload content to your device by dragging and dropping from your computer or by selecting Upload from the Files toolbar. See what's happening on your device with the Logs view. Search, filter, and sort log entries to debug problems or identify opportunities for optimization. Try using the isAnyOf operator to filter for multiple values in a single column. Once you find what you're looking for, download or copy log entries to share with others. With Hub 3, streaming your device experience has never been easier. This is a great way to share what you see in your headset with others during presentations, video calls, or demos. Before getting started, make sure your Magic Leap 2 is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, and that Device Stream is enabled in your device settings. Navigating to the Stream view automatically initiates the video stream from your device. Before your stream can connect to the hub, accept the new connection request in your headset. I recommend selecting the Don't Ask Again for 30 days option so you don't have to do this again next time. To maximize the experience for viewers, we recommend expanding your stream view to full screen. You can capture photos and video while streaming to share with others later. Note that the quality of your recording depends on your network connection. Stream videos are compressed to reduce latency. You can also adjust video quality, choose the visual content shared in your stream, and adjust the image settings using the Properties sidebar. With Capture, you can record your on-device experience in the highest quality possible. This is perfect for recording photos and videos for marketing materials or recorded demos. Choose which audio and visual content is captured and balance your environment's lighting with virtual content by adjusting the image and video quality settings in the Properties sidebar. Capture's quality does not depend on your network connection. It records content directly from the device, then automatically downloads the captured assets onto your computer. View the details of your current OS version and install the latest update in the OS view. Note that downgrading your OS requires a factory reset. This will erase all user data, including license information, on-device media files, and user settings. Before performing a factory reset, be sure to save your license key if you have one. You can select from Magic Leap's official releases or install custom builds. With Hub 3, OS versions are now downloaded in the background, so you can continue navigating the hub as they download. You'll receive a notification to complete the installation process when the OS version is ready to be installed. If you're experiencing issues with your Magic Leap 2, you can boot your device into fast boot mode. Check out our documentation on installing OS versions or our dedicated video on fast boot mode in the links below. One last capability I want to highlight is remote rendering. This is a first-party tool that we created that allows you to render content onto a Magic Leap 2 device from a more powerful Windows computer. Simply scan a QR code to easily pair your device and computer to begin running remote rendering. We provide a 15-minute trial experience to give you an idea of what it can do. If you like what you see, you can purchase a Developer Pro or Enterprise license to use remote rendering without limitations. For more information on getting started with Magic Leap Hub 3, refer to the links in the description. Thanks for hanging with us today, and come back soon to check out more in-depth videos about using and developing with Magic Leap.